Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a Cherryz haul to share with you. It's full of junk. There's a few non-junk items in there, but I have to be honest with you, straight up, it's mainly junk food. The reason why is because it's coming into Christmas and this is a time of year that I allow my children to have a lot of junk food. It's once a year, I would never deny them a chocolate bar or a packet of crisps. Oh no. But Christmas time, we just eat that a little bit more than what we normally do. If you've never heard of Cherryz before, then carry on watching. But if you have and you'd rather skip me telling you all about Cherryz and you just want to get straight into seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cherryz is an online store and app that sells anything you can think of. Everything and anything you can think of. They are based in the UK and currently only ship within the UK. You might be familiar with high street stores like B&M's or Home Bargains. Well, Cherryz is very similar. The difference is that you can get to order online in the comfort of your own home, as opposed to having to go into the shops to purchase these items. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I do shop on Cherryz every couple of months myself. Just a really handy place to get some basic products that I wouldn't necessarily think of getting. There is a load of stuff on there, from homeware, from Christmas. There's lots of Christmas things on there. There's garden stuff, there's health and beauty, there's pet supplies. There's loads. There is loads. Everything you can think of, and you'll probably find it there. Even ornaments, like home decorations and things like that. There's a £10 minimum spend. There's free shipping if you spend over £20, or £4 if you're ordering on the website, or £3 if you order off their app. Most, if not all, the products are under £10. The majority of them are £1, or you might be able to get a deal, 2 for £1, etc. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. So let's get on to showing you what Christmassy sort of themed products I have bought. It came in this massive box. It is quite heavy. I was going to do it in some form of order, like food first and things, but no, it's all mixed up, so I'm just going to grab and show you. The majority of the items that I've chosen are under £5. So first up, I got some lights. I thought these would be quite nice to use somewhere. Maybe put in a pretty glass bottle or a jar or something, and you need some batteries to make them work. So yeah, so I thought that would be quite nice for Christmas. The more lights the merrier. What do you think of my backdrop? What do you think? I have got 2 little Christmas trees, one there and one behind me. I need batteries. There are lights on them, so as soon as I get some batteries you will see them on as well in the background. But I really like it. I put them there so I can have something a little bit sparkly for my December videos, but I am actually thinking of keeping it there. It's so pretty. I do really like it. We'll see. So I got some lights. Then I got a light up ball ornament. Now this is a couple of pound. I'm guessing about £5. Ooh, what colour is this? I can't tell. This is the first time I'm looking at it. It looks silver, but it's almost like rose gold. And it's got a battery as well. You just pull out. Let's turn off my ring light. How pretty is that? How pretty is my backdrop? Oh my word, it looks so pretty behind me. See, I have to keep it, don't I? It is just so gorgeous. But anyway, back to what I've bought. Look, that's so nice. That is really nice. Right, I gotta turn my ring light on, or else you won't see me. So you know, I really like. Ooh, the bottom is come undone, but I can easily stick that down. A nice little Christmas ornament there. Next up, I've got 2 cones. There's a lot of sparkle coming off of that. These little glittery cones. So I got 2 of these. I like things symmetrical, generally. And then I got some of these as well to go with them. They're little candle lights. 3 flickering effect LED tea lights. Right, again, let's turn off the ring light. You can see the tea light there. So I thought that would be quite nice. Simple design. You can't see the light now. Oh my word. They glitter all over my legs, the bed. It's everywhere. I'm gonna have to give that a good shake. Yeah, no, that's pretty. I've got 3 kids. They're all teens. Well, the youngest is 12, coming up to being a teenager. And I always get them these biscuits. So when I saw them on Cherryz, I had to get them. These are Cadbury Festive Friends biscuit half covered with milk chocolate. Just a little box of Christmas biscuits. Pringles. Love Pringles in this house, although this one is a little bit dense. I'm not sure whether that's my fault or whether it came like that. Yeah, so I've got Texas barbecue and I've got salt and vinegar, and I think they were £1.50 each. There's a few different ones on the website. But yeah, every Christmas Eve, we always have like a family buffet. Because the kids are getting older, they don't always want to spend time with us. Christmas Day, they want to go off and do their own things, talk to their friends, etc. So Christmas Eve, I've been doing it since they were little. We all get together, we all watch a film, and our table in the living room full of snacks and food and things. And yeah, we always have Pringles, so I'm going to be saving those. As with most of the things that I've got here. Love Pringles, love them. To go with our Christmas Eve buffet, we've got some J2O drinks. These are a pack of 4, and we've got orange and passion fruit, and we've got apple and raspberry there. Cheaper buying them on Cherryz than in like Tesco's. So yeah, so there's those. Back to decorations. I've got some Christmas tree decorations here. Now there's 2 of these. I just thought they were gorgeous. Look, little martini glass Christmas tree decoration. How cute is that? And then I got another one here as well. So cute. So cute. A little diddy one. So I've got 2 of those. I've got a Yankee candle. This is red velvet brownie. Love a candle. It just smells of baking. It just smells so nice. It just smells just like a chocolate cake. Candle there. Then I got a present for my daughter. She doesn't know it yet. We got a set of Bourjois Rouge Edition velvet lipsticks, and I think this was £8, which I think is great. I love these lipsticks. I have got a few of myself. I've got this one and I've got that one. They are stunning, stunning lipsticks. Oh, I can't. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll just say to her that I did a video with them first. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'll go on and show you quickly. Quickly show you. They're really long lasting and the colours are great. Really great. They work out to be what, £1.75 each? Something like that. My maths isn't great. But 5 for £8 there. I didn't realise that Cherryz had little gifts like this. So yeah, handy. Handy, handy. Now these are a little bit random. Nothing to do with Christmas. Although we will be brushing our teeth more with the more junk food we eat. But I think this is 2 for £1. I'm sure it was. Or they were £1 each. Now, they're just handy to keep in the house. If we go away for the night, or if we go away on holiday, etc. Then, yeah, there's 5 of us, so I had to get 2. So just handy to keep in the cupboard whenever we need them, basically. Got a 20 pack of Christmas serviettes, which we'll be using Christmas Eve. Oh, I've got some socks as well. They're women's socks, but it doesn't matter. My son doesn't have to know that they're women's socks. They could be unisex, it doesn't matter. And they're one size, and there's 1 pair each. They feel really nice and thick and soft, actually. Yeah, impressed with those. Next up, some straws. These are 4 reusable glass straws with a straw cleaner. We've already got some of these and just fancy some more, because they are handy. Handy, I hate that word. I hate it because I say it all the time, and I'm sure it's doing your head in hearing me say it all the time as well. But yeah, it's a household staple. Some reusable straws. Next up, some chocolate. We got Dairy Milk Winter Orange Edition. I bought 2 of those. I cannot wait to try them. Cannot wait. Then I got Terry's Chocolate Orange, but in white. I didn't even know that they did these. So a white Terry's Chocolate Orange bars. So there's 2 of those as well. I cannot wait to try them. Oh, maybe I will when I've done this video. Next up, some blue tack, which I've already opened to stick up my curtain lights behind me. Always in need of blue tack around Christmas time. Oh, there's another little present from my daughter as well. This is Purple Petals and Smoky Sky and Tropical Beach and Espresso, Burnt Marshmallow and Leather Jacket, and the Impulse Reed Diffuser gift set. How gorgeous is that? I can't open it up because it is properly sealed at the back there, but hope you can see the little mini Impulse Reed Diffusers. And that's a couple of £1 as well. I just thought that would be a really gorgeous little present. I went for some Christmas bows to stick on presents. These are self-adhesive gift bows. There's a pack of 20 there. Now these sound gorgeous. After 8, these are limited edition mojito and mint flavour. They sound absolutely gorgeous. I love mojito. It's my favourite cocktail. Oh, saying that, no, I'm a Bloody Mary fan as well. I think Bloody Mary and Bloody Mary and mojitos are my favourite cocktails. Both completely different cocktails, but I love them. I can't wait to try those. But no, I'm going to have to save them. Have to! I chose some nuts. We've got here, these are by Thurston's. We've got roasted and salted pistachios and roasted and salted cashews. So, just little mini ones there. But I thought that'd be quite nice on a little tray. Like a little bowl for our buffet. As well as these in a little bowl. These are Aero Snow Bubbles. Dreamy Snow Bubbles. I'm assuming they're white chocolate. I've got 2 of them here. Then I got some metallic pens to write my Christmas cards. Not that I do send Christmas cards, really. Not really. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking a load of rubbish. I only send a couple of Christmas cards a year. That is it. I stopped doing mass production of Christmas cards years and years ago, but the kids still do it, so it'd be nice for them to use a fancy pen to write inside. So yes, we've got 3 metallic pens there. Something for Maisie, our dog, our golden retriever. We've got some Bakers, Sizzlers, bacon flavour. Pack there. Something for my car this time. This is Yankee Candle and this is in Christmas Cookie. I just really hope that it's not sickly. Shall I open it up? Up close it's a bit sickly, but I think far away, as a general scent in the car, they're not up like this. It's alright. Vanilla. Sort of a vanilla smell. That's for my car. And then lastly, another little prezi for my daughter. And this is Candy Floss by So. It's a body mist. There. And she actually pointed this out in a shop recently. I thought, ooh, I'll get that for her. So those are all the items I chose for my most recent Cherryz haul with a Christmas twist. A lot of the items that I've chose are going to be saved for Christmas Eve. All the snacks, the chocolates and everything, they're going to be saved for our buffet. I've got some gorgeous Christmas decorations and I've got a few handy things like toothbrushes, straws, etc. So yeah, overall I'm really pleased with what I bought, and thank you to Cherryz for collaborating with me so I'm able to do this video and to show you. So I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of my choices? Do you shop regularly on Cherryz? If so, have you bought any of the items I have? Or is this the first time you're hearing about it? Please let me know down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you were to subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.